all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
In a major development, Iran has decided to construct a railway line from Chabahar port to Zahedan on its own. In the year 2016, India signed a bilateral deal with Iran to invest in the construction of Chabahar port. The total length of the railway line is 628 kilometers, and India said that it would invest in the construction of the port. Back then, the Indian government decided to invest $500 million for the construction of the Chabahar port. The countrymen appreciated the move and said the port would open a transit route to Afghanistan and Central Asia, avoiding the land route through Pakistan. The bilateral agreement was seen as India's gateway for trade in Central Asian countries. However, now the status quo has changed. Iran has decided to construct the railway line on its own. On July 7th, Iranian Transport and Urban Development Minister Mohammad Eslami inaugurated the commencement of track laying. Iran is hoping to complete the construction of 150 kilometers railway line by March 2021 and the remaining 478 kilometers by the next year. The decision has been taken in the backdrop of India delaying to release funds for the project. Opposition leader Rahul Gandhi was quick to respond on the developments and said the country's global strategy is in tatters. India's global strategy is in tatters. We are losing power and respect everywhere, and government of India has no idea what to do. The Congress party said Iran's move was a big loss for the country. Senior Congress leader Abhishek Manu Singhvi also took to his Twitter to criticize the government. India dropped from Chabahar port deal. This is the diplomacy of the Modi government that won laurels even without getting the work done. China worked quietly but gave them a better deal. Big loss for India, but you can't ask questions. India's participation in the Chabahar port project was crucial. It would have enabled the country to keep an eye on Chinese activity at Gwadar, which is just 72 kilometers away from the port. If India was part of the deal, then it would have given us the right to develop and operate 2 terminals and 5 berths for a period of 10 years. The initial plan was to offload Indian shipments at Chabahar port, and the goods would be carried on trucks and trains to Zahedan. Not to forget, it was Iran that had brought forward the plan to the Indian government to get its hand in developing Chabahar port. However, it took a while for the plan to take shape, and finally both the countries agreed to participate in the construction of the port. Unfortunately, things have now gone haywire, and Iran is in no mood to take India's help in the construction of the port. Looking at these developments, China has come forward to invest and strike a deal with Iran. It is reported that China has drafted a comprehensive military and trade partnership. It is also being reported that China is offering Iran $400 billion investment in key sectors like energy and infrastructure for the next 25 years. China is certainly looking at one man's problem is another man's opportunity policy in the Chabahar port development matter.